the beginnings of a junior mountaineer. Hiking is my hobby and mountaineering is my passion. There is love for the mountains and this love draws me to the mountains. This love does not allow me to just sit and wonder. I try to create opportunities to go to the mountains because I believe in creating opportunities, not meeting them. I am, of course, an adventurer who is human and offers countless opportunities for adventure in the high mountains of northern Pakistan. Pakistan hiking tracks/places travelogue. The mountain is one of the features of the earth that I have loved since I was a child because of its height from the ground. But the passion for mountain tourism awoke a few years ago. It seems that the whole earth is under your feet. I feel a sense of peace and contentment in these rugged mountains. I am also a somewhat lonely person by nature. The moments of silence and loneliness that I find in these desolate valleys of the mountains can only be imagined in the fast, noisy, and mechanical life of cities. Specialize in the subject of geography. As a student, I was most interested in geography. A lot of my studies were about mountains. Most of the books I read in the library are about mountains. Especially about the northern mountains and hilly areas of Pakistan. Study of Mustansir Hussein's books. In library as per my interest I have read 2 books Pakistan, Mountains and Mountaineering and K2 Kahun K Chaguri more than once. The result of this study was that I started trekking in the mountains as well as writing articles. Early mountaineering Kumrat, Bol, Kandol track. In 2016 we hiked on the Rathigali track and in the year 2017 on the Kumrat, Katara, Kandal track. These were my early mountaineering. The endless beauty of nature that pervades during journeys in these great mountains and the beautiful valleys of Neelam, Kagan, Kumrat, and Swat, I have never imagined. I came back, I decided to write a biography of these hiking thoughts keeping in mind the natural beauty. When I started writing the travelogue on the track of Rathigali, I realized that a less knowledgeable person like me is not capable of describing the industrialization of nature. It was quite difficult. Despite all of my efforts, it took me more than a year to complete this itinerary. Gained some experience after the Rathigali track. Therefore, the second travelogue, which is the record of Kumrat, Kandal, and Kandal track, took 5 months. First episode next coming soon. Please subscribe my channel for update.